The hidden knot within. You reach moments where it feels like you're moving, yet going nowhere. Something inside you trembles, a mix of dimmed desire and lingering doubt. You realize the problem isn't the size of your goals, it's the way you've been looking at yourself. You know the path is right, yet something deep inside keeps holding you back. And you ask yourself, how do I take ownership of my path again? The formation of effective habits, the quiet, draining pressures within. You feel like control has slipped from your hands as if life chooses for you. There's noise in your mind that keeps everything blurry. The paths are many, but the destination is never clear. You haven't been honest with yourself. Something inside you has been silent for years. You feel like you're not at the center of your life. You're living in the margins of others' choices. You touch the root of it. Somewhere along the way, reaction replaced choice. You've surrendered to things that never even mattered. Your heaviness isn't from failure. It's from moving without a purpose. You sense something must be rebuilt, not outside, but inside. A small spark lights up. Maybe I can take back my direction. The first gentle, quiet shifts. You begin noticing the things that are in your control. You take a tiny step, not to change the world, but to change your radius. You think about the small choices, the ones that start the journey. You soften your own boundaries. You realize you can pause before reacting. In your notebook, you write, start from within. You do a small task, not because you have to, but because you want to. Instead of controlling others, you redirect your attention inward. You feel lighter, not because of the result, but because of the awareness behind it. A quiet power forms inside you, steady but very real, building structure, direction, and meaning. A new image of the right path starts forming in your mind. For the first time, you think of a destination that truly belongs to you. Your choices become aligned. The mental chaos fades and turns into intention. You reconnect with values that were always inside you, just forgotten. In your notebook, you write one word, direction. Inside you grows a quiet clarity, a calm that isn't empty, but illuminated. You stop rushing. You follow your inner rhythm instead. You feel you can build something big, one small step at a time. Your focus shifts to building, not blaming. Order and clarity gently replace the inner mess. The silent inner breakthrough. You realize effectiveness isn't a behavior, it's an identity. You feel a quiet form of leadership inside you without commanding anyone. Challenges aren't threats anymore. They are the groundwork for your growth. You see yourself clearly, a sharper version of who you used to be. You understand that the stability starts within and continues within. Closing the loop plus the book reveal. You feel centered again as if you've returned to yourself. A problem appears, but this time you respond. You don't react. The deepest layer is calm and unshakable. You flip through your notebook. Your path is visible. Among your things, you find a book you haven't touched for a long time. Its cover is simple, steady, familiar. You wipe off the dust. There is a quiet voice inside the book calling to you. The title catches your eye. The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People. You realize what you've been building is exactly what this book has been whispering all along. A sentence from the book rises in your memory. Lead yourself.